everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to crochet a super cute strawberry cream egg cake keychain. This adorable little charm is perfect for decorating your keys, bags, backpacks, or even as a sweet handmade gift for friends and family. Before we begin, prepare your 2.5mm cotton yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. If you enjoy crochet tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. Make sure to watch until the very end. Your support gives us the motivation to create more free crochet tutorials for you. Now, let's start crocheting. Layer 1, yellow color. For round 1, create a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochets into the ring. Pull the ring tight and join with a slip stitch. Great start. A tight magic ring will help keep the center clean and secure. Next, for round 2, chain 1 and make 6 increases around. Join with a slip stitch. Excellent work! Be sure to place both stitches of each increase into the same stitch to keep the circle symmetrical. For round 3, chain 1, then repeat 1 single crochet and 1 increase 6 times around. Finish with a slip stitch. You're doing great. Count your stitches carefully to maintain the shape. Moving on to round 4, chain 1, then repeat single crochet, increase, single crochet 6 times around, join with a slip stitch. Wonderful! Your circle should now look smooth and evenly expanded. For round 5, repeat. Chain 1, make a 6 loop popcorn stitch, skip 1 stitch, then slip stitch. Repeat this sequence 12 times around. Fantastic! These popcorn stitches create a beautiful, decorative edge that makes the cake look fluffy and realistic. Layer 2, white color. Now, let's crochet the cream layer using white yarn. This layer is worked similarly to the first one, so it should feel familiar and easier. Layer 3, strawberry decoration. Finally, let's make the cute strawberry decoration using red and green yarn. This small detail will bring the entire keychain to life. For round 1, create a magic ring. Chain 2, crochet 7 double crochets into the ring, then chain 1. Great job! The strawberry is beginning to take shape. Next, for round 2, chain 1 and crochet 7 single crochets across. Wonderful! Keep your stitches neat because this small piece will become the focal decoration of the keychain. Congratulations! Your strawberry cream egg cake keychain is now complete. Thank you so much for crocheting along with me today. I hope you enjoyed this project and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Let me know if you had any difficulties or if you'd like to see more cute crochet keychain tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!